Shanti, power to accommodate. Babdada say to consider the mistake of someone else to be your own is to strengthen the gathering. Baba say this will only happen when you have faith in one another. The faith to bring about transformation and to bring benefit. Just as success of spiritual soul is remembered, in the same way, everyone within your gathering should have the same thought, because there is not the power of unified thought in a collective way. Everything gets spoiled. Just as the power goes to waste, in the same way, the result too is not good, as you definitely need the power to accommodate. Whatever you see or hear, merge that completely within yourself, and then have the same spiritual vision and benevolent feelings. For those who do not have knowledge, you say that you have to uplift those who defame you. Similarly, within the gathering, also you have to have mercy for one another. At present, you do not have so much mercy, and the practice of the soul conscious stage is therefore also lacking. Baba says, since the knowledge is so elevated and you have a powerful stage, success is not a big thing. Those who practice this for a temporary period achieve success, and so it is not possible that those who practice this all the time would not achieve that success. So you need this power within the gathering. When someone says something, others should accept it. You must not use the power to oppose within the Brahmin gathering. You have to use this power of opposing in front of Maya. When you use the power to oppose with the family, the gathering does not become powerful. If you do not like something, you should still have regard for one another. You should not cut off someone's ideas or words at that time. Therefore, you now have to imbibe the power to accommodate. Om Shanti.